Hi, I'm Marta from Analog Magic, and today I'm gonna show you vintage visual black and white film development kit. Have you ever shot a roll of black and white film and you wish to develop it at home? Today I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step with black and white starter kit from Vintage Visual. So you don't need any darkroom, no professional lab, it's just you, your creativity and few very smart tools. This is the starter kit for black and white. A complete beginner-friendly set that includes absolutely everything you need to process your first 8 rolls of black and white film right at home. So let's unbox it together. We have starter kit guide, which is very important because here you will find the most important information about your developing process. We also have 35mm one reel developing tank. Inside the tank you will find the Paterson reel, which works both with 35mm film and 120. We also have a thermometer, changing bag, which is also called a dark bag, film picker, ADOX black and white chemical kit, 45ml and 600ml graduates, 1 liter bottle, and the film clip set. If we want to develop the film, first of all we need to use our dark bag, Paterson tank, Paterson reel, film picker, and of course we need to get our film. First step is to use the film picker to gently take out the end of the film. We also need the scissors to cut a little bit the end of the film like this, because it will be easier for us to upload it onto Paterson reel in complete darkness. So this is very important step. We need to open our dark bag, put everything inside, and with everything I mean the Paterson reel, our film, Paterson tank. We don't need this one for now, we just need this. And also we need the scissors because we need to cut the end of the film out of the cassette. We need to be sure that the dark bag is really locked, so there is no chance for any light to go in. And after, we need to be sure we don't have any light sources or on our hands, which I mean some kind of smartwatches. We are putting our hands here and let's roll the film. Now we've got it. The film is inside the Paterson tank. So next important step is to prepare your chemicals. We're gonna use developer to develop the photo. Next we're gonna use the stop bath to stop the process. And then we're gonna fix the image and rinse it with a few drops of wetting agent. So steps are pretty simple, and now we need to prepare the chemicals using massive depth chart and checking what time do we need and what temperature do we need to prepare our chemicals for the film and for the specific chemicals we actually have. So let's grab the phone and let's check our developing parameters. We just developed Ilford HP5 ISO 400, so we need to choose this exact film, and we have FX39 developer 1 to 9, and we are checking it massive depth chart that we need to develop it for 14 minutes. After developing, we need to make a stop bath for 1 minute, fixing for 5 minutes, hypoclear for 2 minutes, and also final wash for 10:30. And it's also really good to put a few drops of wetting agent at the end of washing. So let's prepare the chemicals and let's start the process. It's very important to stick to the manual when you're preparing your chemicals. So as you can see, I'm checking the temperature, which should be 20 degrees. Now I'm pouring the developer in and I'm pouring the ready solution into the Paterson tank. I agitate for the first 60 seconds and agitate for 10 seconds every minute thereafter for a total of 14 minutes. Meantime, I'm preparing the fixer solution and I'm pouring into a bottle. We can use it many times. After I develop the film, I need to wash it for 1 minute and it's time to fix our film. I'm pouring in the solution and doing exactly the same thing. So I agitate for 60 seconds and next I agitate for 10 seconds every minute thereafter. The last step is washing the film. And now in the last minute you can add a few drops of the ADOX and just mix it a little bit in the tank. As you can see, we have great results made in our home.